We have given that M is the midpoint of the segment. What it means? If M is the midpoint of AB, segment AB, it means that segment AM is congruent to segment MB. So it means that length of AM is equal to length of MB. We have given that AM is equal 5x minus 44, and we have given that length of MB is equal to x plus 16. We need to find length of AB. We can write that AB is equal AM plus MB. And what else we know? That AM is equal MB. So we can write equation, because AM is equal MB, we can substitute AM by 5x minus 44. This is equal, MB is 2x plus 16. So we have equation and we have only one unknown, x. So we can find x now. We will combine the like terms. I will move 2x to the left side, so it will be 5x minus 2x is equal 16. I will copy and I will move negative 44 to the right side, so it will be plus 44. 5x minus 2x is 3x is equal 16 plus 44 is 60. So now we divide both sides by 3, so we have x is equal 20. We have x. So now we can come back to our equation. We have to find AB. We have that AM is equal MB. So we can substitute AM by MB. So we will have MB and we have copy MB. So our length of AB is equal 2 times MB, because MB plus MB is 2 times MB. What else? MB is 2x plus 16, so we have 2 times 2x plus 16. So this is equal, our AB will be equal to, we can rewrite this, and x we can substitute by 20. So we have 2 times 20 plus 16. So this is equal, because we found that x is equal 20. So this is equal 2 times 20 is 40 plus 16 is 56. So we have 2 times 56. This is equal 112. So our segment, the length of our segment AB is equal 112. This is my solution.